All right, all right. So we are going to compare 4 different AI website builders in this video. We're going to compare Google AI Studio. We're going to compare Claude. We're going to compare Manus, and we're going to compare Stormio AI. I'm going to tell you what I like about all of them and which two I'm going to A/B split test at Stormio AI. Right? So just so you know, Stormio AI is a business operating system of systems. It's built on top of Go High Level, and we have a lot of AI things like a AI receptionist. AI is going to answer the phone for you. Chatbot, if somebody sends a message on TikTok or Twitter. Instagram, Facebook, text messaging. We have AI that can just respond to all that stuff. Conversational AI, just a lot of AI integration inside Stormio that we have. So I have a prompt. Let me actually share you the prompt that I used for all 4 of these. This is the prompt: build a website using the StoryBrand brand script style for a SaaS company called Stormio AI. Stormio AI is a white label of Go High Level, so it has all the benefits of High Level. But instead of High Level, use Stormio or Stormio AI. Focus on the AI capabilities of Stormio and the never miss a call features. It should say features, but I misspelled it on the first one, so I had to keep the misspelling on all of them. All right, so I am going to share. I'm going to share the first one. Let's share Claude. So let me get the Claude. Let me get the Claude tab here. So again, this is Claude. You just saw the prompt. Let's see. Is it sharing? Is it sharing? Yeah, there we go. So this is Claude. Let me make myself smaller here. Can I make myself? There we go. Make myself even smaller. Well, I guess you got the big old AI thing in the corner. But so this is the Claude website. I'm going to just kind of scroll down. You see, oh, there was a little movement there, so that's kind of cool. So I'm just scrolling down. It's kind of a little too bright for me. The neon type colors. But you saw the prompt. Like, I didn't tell it anything else. So never miss a call. Never lose a customer. Stormio AI answers every call with intelligent AI agents, captures every lead, and grows your business while you sleep. Your 24/7 sales team that never takes a break. Start converting more leads. So, oh, that's a cool little button action there. I like that button action. That's nice. Let's see. Every missed call is money walking out the door. Your competitors are answering while you're missing out. I guess it has a little bit of statistics here. I kind of like the action, and I don't even know why it came up with these colors, but hey, all in one platform. Yep. Interesting. I wonder if there should be something in that little box there, but AI voice agents, never miss a call, instant follow-up. Yeah, we can do all that stuff. Get started in 3 simple steps. Quick setup, connect your phone number and customize your agent's voice personally, script. So I didn't tell it anything. You saw the prompt that I gave it. So all of this stuff is pretty good. 100% of calls answered, 3-time the lead conversion. So I wouldn't personally, I wouldn't keep this, the 3 times lead conversion, because that sounds like a guarantee, and I can't necessarily guarantee it. So I would remove that, or change that wording there. Ready to stop missing calls and start growing? Join thousands of businesses using Stormio AI to capture every opportunity and scale without limits. So now when it comes to like the story brand script, following that, this didn't necessarily follow it. But let's see. Problem. Oh, solution. How it works. Here we go. I don't know why that box keeps coming up, but maybe because it's not like fully launched. But I like it. Okay, I like it. This is so this is Claude. Now let us go back to, oh yeah, I gotta close out of this one. Let me close out of this one. All right, let's close out of that one. And what is going to be the next one that we bring in here? Let me actually make myself the smallest again, so when I just share it, it just pops up. The next one we are going to go with is, which one is this? This is Google AI Studio. All right, so again, I use the same prompt. This is Google AI Studio. Turn every missed call into a new customer. Stop losing jobs to the faster responder. Stormio AI texts back every missed call instantly and books appointments while you're on the job. So we do have, if you miss a call, we text them back, but we have an AI agent that'll just answer every call. So I wouldn't use that right there, to be honest, because why even miss the call? Like, we answer every single call. So AI bookings this week. This is a cool little image, probably made with Nano Banana since it's Google, right? And the little 42 bookings and 28 missed calls recovered. 128. That's I like that. And this is a little bit. This is cleaner. I think it's easier to read because the other one was like very glowy. So missed calls equal lost cash. 62% of calls to small businesses go unanswered. So the other one had 80%. So I don't really know where they're getting the statistics. Obviously, for my own website, I'm going to verify the statistics myself personally. But this is like the first pass. I typed in the prompt, bam, this is what it provided. So I'm pleasantly surprised with all of these. So I'm just gonna keep showing you. Wasted admin hours, broken leads. It threw this in. Oh, I like this little text thing here. So it's going with one of the features that we have, which I call it the InMax system, the never miss a call system. And before we had AI answering the phone, we just focused on sending a text right back. But technically, it wasn't even AI. It was, at the time, it was just automation. Now we hook AI into there, and AI actually answers the phone. Yep, and we also have 24/7 appointment booking. All right. Oh, and there's pricing here. Did Claude have pricing? I don't think it had pricing. I'm going to look at the Claude one. I don't think I had, no, it didn't have any pricing. Okay. Yeah, I mean, a SaaS company probably should have pricing on there and a way for somebody to buy. So I guess Claude missed that part. All right, so let me take this one off. All right, so let's bring to the stage. Let's bring to the stage Manus. All right, here we go. I have to like remove that one and then add another one. Okay, yeah, this is Manus here. So this was actually the first one I did. I used that prompt on Manus first, and then I used it on the other. Ones. So I kind of like this style. I don't really like this big open space here. But I don't know. Let's keep going here. Are you losing customers before you even know they called? Every missed call is a missed opportunity. Every delayed response is a customer choosing your competitor. In today's market, speed isn't an advantage, it's a requirement. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Stormio AI captures every opportunity 24/7 with intelligent voice AI and automation. While your competitors sleep, your AI assistant is closing deals. Man, that two strong headlines in that here. 73% of customers choose a competitor if you don't respond within 5. So again, I don't know where they're getting these numbers. Average revenue lost per missed call for a service business. Now, it could probably even be more than this, to be honest. And the reason I say that is because, well, let's say like a roofer. Obviously, roofs are like huge, but this might just be talking about one call. But like if an HVAC guy, if somebody calls an HVAC guy, that one appointment might be, I don't know, let's just say $250. But if you're a homeowner and you have, you find a good HVAC guy, you're going to use him for life, until something doesn't work anymore, right? Until there's some sort of issue. But so I think the lifetime value of a customer is way more than $1,200. But anyway, oh, nice image there. Meet your AI powered business assistant. I like business assistant because when it comes down to it, that's really what it is. We understand the pressure of running a business. Every missed call feels like a missed opportunity. Every delayed response could mean a lost customer. You're working hard, but you can't be everywhere at once. Stormio AI is built on the proven platform trusted by thousands of agencies and businesses worldwide. Our AI powered suite has helped businesses capture millions of leads and automate billions of customer interactions. So, if you look at the agencies that use high level and then all of their users that use those platforms, I think that this is probably real numbers. But specifically Stormio AI, those are inflated. All right. It definitely inflated there. So I'm going to have to change that there. But I like how there's this enterprise grade reliability trusted by 10,000 plus business. I like these little tiny things. Anyway, step 1, 2, 3. Now, if you look at all of these, so Claude that had a 1, 2, 3, and the Google one, I'm looking at that. I know that you're not seeing. Oh yeah, it did have a simple path 1, 2, 3. So it seems like all three of these that we've looked at so far have this 1, 2, 3 3-step process. I even like this little image here too. Never miss a call. Your AI phone assistant answers every call 24/7. I even like this one too. So it's all the different messages, always responsive. Yeah, I 80%. See, this actually says 3 times here, so maybe there's a statistic somewhere that that some of them are pulling from. I just don't know if I need to look at the statistic, I guess, to be honest. 24/7, 365. I like this. I like this little box. Like, if you use Stormio AI, you're going to be transformed. You're not going to be overwhelmed or reactive, or you're not going to be missing opportunities. You're going to be confident. You're going to be proactive, and you're going to be capturing every lead. See, this follows more of the StoryBrand brand script here. This follows more of the StoryBrand brand script because it kind of is taking you through a journey. So It doesn't necessarily make you, the website visitor, the hero. At least it doesn't seem that way. But I really like this design. Oh, and it has and these numbers are actually pretty much the numbers that I have anyway, except it's 97, 297. Yeah, I let's see. So this just goes here, and here, and okay, nice. Yeah, I like this one best out of all so far. I mean, I think that this is too much of white space. Even though there's this little design there, I think I don't know. I think something else could be there, maybe a video or something. I'm not sure. But anyway, let me remove this and stop that share. And let's do the last one. We're going to look at Stormio AI's built-in builder. All right, so let me share that screen. So this is Stormio AI's built-in builder. All right, so I haven't really looked at this one, to be honest. Again, it's all the same prompt. So AI-powered client capture for agencies and local businesses. So Stormio AI, we focus on helping local businesses, but high level is actually for agencies. And when I told it with the prompts, the benefits of high level, but don't use the words high level, use Stormio AI instead. So, see, it actually used high level here. Stormio AI is built on. I mean, I don't have a problem with people knowing that it's built on top of high level. I mean, I talk about it, but we just have a bunch of other stuff that's in there. I mean, not to mention I've been using high level for like 5 years. So, and I've helped build other agencies as well. So, this is a cool little slider here. These are just, well, I don't know if these are actually real companies or not. To be honest, this is, okay, so how it works, features. I'm not going to click on those yet. Watch 2-minute overview. I do like that. Get a live demo. I do like that too. Because when it comes down to it, if somebody's going to be making a decision to get a system, right? This is your system for your business operating system. It could be, right? You could have it just answer the phones and that's it. Or you can actually use all of the 500 or so features. And, but that's overwhelming for people. So we just kind of like pick some and just go with a suite. And then we keep giving them more and more and more. At least that's how I do it. Okay, so your leads are calling. They won't wait on voicemail. When a new lead calls and no one answers, they don't leave a message and calmly wait. They hang up, Google your competitor, and call the next number. Every missed call, unanswered DM, or forgotten follow-up is lost revenue. And your team is too busy actually doing the work to manually chase every lead. You don't need more software to log missed calls. You need AI that answers for you, books the appointment, and keeps the conversation going automatically. What's at risk of if nothing happens? I would like this to be like bigger and take up more space here, but I like this. This is kind of following the story brand. It's just I don't necessarily like the way it's laid out. Oh, okay. So here's this, and here's the risk if you don't do anything. Meet Stormio AI, you're always on, never off receptionist. And then here's the benefits of getting it, strategic onboarding to map out your ideal conversations, done with you setup, AI call answers, SMS chat flows, battle tested templates. Well, that's for sure. Hands-on support while you, yep, that's right. I pretty much do most of all the support myself. I have open office hours on Fridays, and I have a specific client calendar for all of the users that is more open and available. A simple plan that wins more business. How Stormio, and again, a number 123. That's great. Connect calls and channels. So connect Stormio AI, your phone system, web chat, forms, social inboxes. Yeah, we have a universal inbox. So web chat, TikTok, Instagram, uh, Instagram, Facebook. What is it? SMS. I said web chat already. For some reason, I think there's email we can hook in there too. But anyway, so every missed call or new message flows into one intelligent AI-powered inbox. See, sometimes AI comes up with words that I like this AI-powered inbox. That's true. That's true. I always call it the universal inbox, but now maybe I'll say an AI-powered universal inbox. Train your AI on your business. Yep. Very, very easy, to be honest. And launch and optimize for more bookings. Stormio AI is the brain behind your calls, texts, and pipeline. I like this. I like this. Oh, see, I like this little section here. Oh, this is a parallax background. See that? That's cool. I actually like this dark area here. I kind of wish there was more of a, and these colors, these blue, like this whole, like the orange and blue in the background there, and then it's orange and blue on the top. I like this little design element here a lot. Instead of voicemail, Stormio AI sends an instant personalized text. Okay, so it's talking about AI call answering. Now it's also talking about the missed call text back feature. But I'm saying we don't need to text people back. We just answer the phone. And I actually have a demo that you can just click a button and make a phone call on your browser, or a phone number where you can actually call and do a role play as your business. From chaos and missed calls to calm, consistent growth, Stormio AI gives you the clarity and control that only comes when every lead is captured, every conversation is tracked, and follow-up happens automatically. Know exactly how many opportunities come in from calls, texts, and chat. See which campaigns drive the most booked appointments. Show clients or stakeholders clear AI-powered ROI, and grow without hiring more people just to answer the phone. See, that's just it. Like, AI doesn't necessarily need to replace jobs, right? The person that you have answering the phone is probably answering the phone because it's the add-on thing that they have to do. But in reality, you want them to do this, but they also have to answer the phone. Now, if they don't answer the phone, they can do all of this, and maybe if you have walk-ins or something like that, they can service the people that are there instead of. It's just a better customer experience and employee experience. To be honest, they're able to do more of the work that they're supposed to do without getting interrupted by the phone ringing. Man, interruptions is what hurts productivity. Period. Across everything, every business, everything. Distractions halt productivity. And it takes, like, there's a book, Flow, there's a whole bunch of different things talking about flow, but interruptions, it takes you like 15-20 minutes to get back into it. So, and then here we go, we have pricing down here. So I think this is pretty good. So now, Now, the question is, right? So now the question is, which one do I think is the best? Right? Which one do I think is the best? And to be honest, I really like the Manus one. I really like the Manus one. And I actually, to be honest, I'm like very, very, very pleasantly surprised about the Stormio one, because I went to Manus and all these other ones because we just did an upgrade. We just did an upgrade to Stormio, the AI builder, and this actually was the first time that I used the new builder, and I am very pleasantly surprised at how well it worked. Now, with all of that said, Claude, Google AI Studio, Manus, and Stormio AI Funnel Builder, which one do I think is the one that I like the most? I'm going to have to say Manus. Manus is the one that I like the most. And so now, how do I put that into production? When people type in stormioai.com, how do we hook that in so it comes in, so I get all the same tracking and all that stuff? What I'm going to do is, and I also like the Stormio AI one. Obviously, there's a little bit of changes that need to be done with both of them, but I like the Stormio AI one. And so I'm going to use that one and the Mantis one as like an A/B split test. And obviously, it's very easy for me because it's already built inside Stormio, the Stormio one. Very easy for me to just start that and roll that out. But I'm very pleasantly surprised that the Stormio AI builder did that well of a job based on that prompt. But when it comes down to it, man, I really like the Manus site a lot. I like the Manus site a lot. But hooking up all of the automations and the forms and all that stuff is so easy to do inside Stormio that getting it to work inside Mantis is just going to take a little while. Like I never used Mantis before. I logged into Mantis, I gave it this prompt, and this was literally the first thing I ever did with Mantis. So actually, let me actually go back to the Mantis site. Let's see, share screen. I think this is it. Yeah. So I'm going to. There we go. Yeah, so you can see it here. I'm very pleasantly surprised. And then also, I don't have it up over here. The cool thing is Mantis. I kind of like the Mantis interface. And one of the things that it said, I'm pulling it up here. Oh man, I need to log it into open it up in a different browser. But it said that it's a meld between two different styles, tech noir and something else. And I really do like the style. I like the colors and I like the style. I even like these images. I like how they're bold. I like the whole thing. Maybe that little thing up at the top, the features and these buttons work. Hooking these. Oh, that little action there is cool on the button. It's just it'll take a little bit more work to get this to work because I have to hook up Stripe to this. I have to, hook all these other things together, and it's just going to take a little bit more to roll this out. But I really do like this page better than the Stormio one. So I'm pleasantly surprised. But when it comes down to it, so here's the biggest thing when it comes to like CRO, conversion rate optimization. It does not matter what I think. Does not matter what I think at all. What matters is the numbers. So while I love the Mantis one, right? I love the Mantis design, and I think the Stormio design is a very good second one, right? Second, runner up to that, second place. But the thing is the thing is, I need to go by the numbers. I need to go by the numbers. And people may not like the Mantis one. I may not get conversions on the Mantis one. Or I might get a ton of conversions on the Mantis one. I don't know. I won't know until I run it, until I split test it. And that is what conversion rate optimization is. And it's not about SEO anymore. It's about CRO. Because if you're getting a 1% conversion rate, for example, and then we'll end it here. If you're getting a 1% conversion rate on your website for sales, let's just say sales, right? You have a 1% conversion rate on sales on your website. And we come in and we do conversion rate optimization on your website. And we get that to, let's just say 2%. We just 100x. We just doubled your, I meant 100%. We just doubled your sales, just doubled your sales with just one thing. So it's really all about conversion rate optimization. It's all about CRO. But anyway, I'm pleasantly surprised at the Stormio version, but this one right here, this Mantis, I like that design the best. So good job, Mantis. See you next time. And we're out.